Eufy Tracker versus Apple AirTag. Bluetooth trackers help you find lost items fast, and today we compare the Eufy SmartTrack and Apple AirTag to see which one fits your lifestyle. Both use Apple's Find My network, but only AirTag has ultra-wideband precision finding. SmartTrack offers QR code contact information, while AirTag integrates seamlessly with iOS. SmartTrack's strengths would be cheaper price, QR code for lost and found contact, and loud ring, while AirTag's strengths would be precise location with directional arrows, lost mode alerts, and stronger ecosystem support. So among the limitations of the SmartTrack would be no UWB chip, less accurate indoors, and weaker ecosystem support. Now, as for the AirTag's limitations, it's higher price, iOS only, and no QR contact information. SmartTrack is best for users who want a budget-friendly tracker with basic Find My support. AirTag is best for professionals and travelers who need precise tracking and seamless Apple integration.